So today we'll start Sedona Method and hoponopono with tapping. So let's start. तो जितनी भी कोई फीलिंग है अभी आपकी, कितने नंबर तक फीलिंग है वो? फ्रस्ट्रेशन, इरिटेशन, ये कितना लेवल तक है? 9. ठीक है. So let's start. Take a deep breath. So this is the Sedona Method. I will ask 3 questions. आप टैप करते रहिए कराटे चौक पॉइंट पे ना. Could I be willing to release this frustration and irritation?
Yes.
Say yes.
Yes.
Should I be willing to release this emotion of frustration and irritation?
Yes.
So when will I release? When will I willing to release this frustration and irritation? Say now.
Now.
Yes. Take a deep breath. I'm sorry, my dear health, for creating this feeling of frustration and irritation. I'm really sorry, my dear health, for for this creation of feeling frustration, irritation, and lot of worries. Take your 2 fingers on eyebrows. Please forgive me for my frustration and irritation for my health. Please forgive me. For this creation. I know I am 100% responsible for this irritation, frustration feelings about my health. I also know that I am worrying too much. This feeling of frustration and irritation, releasing from my mind, body, and soul. Thank you for this feeling of frustration, irritation. Thank you for this feeling so that I can heal myself more. I love you for this feeling of frustration, irritation, and worries so that I can work on myself more. I know I'm fit and fine. I just need a proof on stamp paper. And I'm getting frustration that nobody is giving me on stamp paper. And my mind is wondering, क्या हो रहा है ये? I know there is no problem. Just मेरा mind इधर उधर गेम खेल रहा है मेरे साथ. Thank you for this feeling of frustration. मुझे समझ में आ गया मेरे माइंड में क्या क्या चल रहा है. This frustration feeling, this irritation feeling, release. This feeling of desperation, this feeling of over worrying about myself, releasing from my mind, body, and soul. I'm feeling calm, peaceful from my mind, body, and soul. Even though I have this feeling of frustration, irritation about my dear health, in spite of that, I just love, accept, and honor myself the way I am. I just and am in love with myself, in spite of getting frustration, irritation, worries about my dear health. This feeling of frustration about my health, Chumanta. This feeling of irritation about dear health, Chumanta. I'm over worrying about myself, Chumanta. All these feelings which I'm creating in my mind are releasing from my mind, body, and soul. I'm sorry, dear health, for creating such feelings. I know, सब मेरे दिमाग का ही खेल है. It is not true. I just have to control my mind. I know my mind is controlling nowadays, but I am clever enough to feel this. If I am creating such thoughts, I can create positive thoughts that I am always taken care of. I am always taken care of. I am always taken care of. And I am willing to release this frustration, irritation, and worries about my dear health. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry, my dear health, for creating negative feelings about my health. Please forgive me for wasting my time thinking about my health. Thank you, dear frustration feelings. Because of you, I can now work on myself more. And I know universe is always taking care of me. I'm always taken care of. I love you, my feelings of frustration, irritation. Because of you, now I realize universe is always with me. I'm always taken care of. So thank you so much. Take a deep breath.